Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to create 8 seconds video like this using the WAN Move. Good. Hi guys, this video I want this model, use the video model and motion control. The WAN Move for the motion, 13 billion motion control. Okay, for this model we have to download this Loras VIE Fusion and diffusion model. You can download it from here. Okay, I already downloaded this model. You can download like that. Or you can download using the EDM, Internet Download Manager. Press this EDM and press OK and hit download. Okay, after downloading this, let's add it one by one. Okay, this is first tab, second tab, first tab. Let's go right here. Okay, where is my model? Is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's open our ComfyUI. Let's begin the first one, LoRa. Let's go to LoRa, ComfyUI. Let's choose for models. This one. Okay, and let's open LoRa. Okay, what's the name of this LoRa? Slide 2V. This one. Put right here. Return to models. Search the second one. VIE 1 2.1. 1 and 1. What is VIE? Okay, return to models. Deep vision. This one. Search for click vision right here. Let's see. This one. Paste it right here. And the final one, diffusion models. 121, 1 move. Okay, where is diffusion models? This one. Right here. Okay, I think we are done of those models. Let's test our work. Reload the page. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's show the workflow. Okay, all models are set up correctly. Right here, we have model links we can download from here. Model sites are about right now. Have the usual models, this one, LoRa, Clip, BAE, and Clip Vision. This is a text encoder. Let's add my prompt right here. And add our image right here. Okay, let's use this girl image, for example, and let's go to ChatGPT and add our image. I want, okay, great. Prompt to move this character using WAN Move model. Okay, let's see what's happening right here. Okay, this character animation. For the main prompt, you can add right here. Copy. This is the first prompt. And this one is the negative prompt. You can add this or you can copy all of those. Let's copy it and test it. I think it's fine. Okay, for the length. And let's see. 141, 3, 141 is 5 seconds, I think. Okay, that's the quality. I'm scanning image, it's fine. Alright. Okay, let's see the result by typing on and see the time. Okay, the work is begin. To create this video 8 seconds using this model, using this movement motion, it takes around 15 minutes. Okay, this testing using URTX 3060. As you can see, okay, thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.